Welcome to the car engine manufacturing factory. This factory is clean, organized, and very large. Hundreds of machines and skilled workers are working together. Here, raw metal is transformed into a powerful car engine. Every step is planned carefully for quality and safety. Large trucks arrive at the factory gate. They carry raw materials like steel, aluminum, and iron. These materials are checked for quality. Only strong and pure metals are accepted. Good materials make a strong engine. The raw materials are stored in a special storage area. Each material is labeled clearly. This helps workers find the correct metal easily. The storage area is clean and dry. Proper storage prevents damage and rust. Big metal blocks are moved to cutting machines. These machines cut metal into smaller pieces. The shapes are rough at this stage. Sparks fly as machines work with power. Safety guards protect the workers. Molten metal is poured into engine block molds. The metal is very hot and glowing. The mold gives the metal its basic engine shape. After cooling, the metal becomes solid. This forms the engine block. The engine blocks are cooled naturally or with water. Cooling makes the metal strong. This process takes time. Sudden cooling is avoided. Strong blocks are needed for long engine life. The cooled engine block goes to machining machines. Machines cut extra metal from the surface. The shape becomes more accurate. This step is called rough machining. The block starts looking like a real engine. High-precision machines now work on the engine block. They make holes and smooth surfaces. Measurements are checked again and again. Accuracy is very important here. Even small mistakes are not allowed. Cylinders are drilled inside the engine block. These cylinders will hold pistons. The size must be perfect. Machines polish the inside walls. Smooth cylinders help the engine run better. Steel rods are shaped into crankshafts. The crankshaft changes up and down motion into rotation. It is very strong and heavy. Machines shape and polish it carefully. Balance testing is done for smooth rotation. Camshafts are made from strong metal. They control valve opening and closing. Each cam is shaped very carefully. Timing accuracy is important. This helps fuel and airflow correctly. Pistons are made from aluminum. They are light but strong. Machines shape the pistons perfectly. Piston rings are added later. Pistons move inside the cylinders. Connecting rods link pistons to the crankshaft. They are forged for strength. Machines drill holes at both ends. Each rod is tested for cracks. Strong rods prevent engine failure. Engine valves are made from heat-resistant metal. They control air and fuel flow. Valves open and close very fast. Polishing makes them smooth. Quality valves improve engine performance. The engine head is prepared. Valves, springs, and camshafts are installed. Everything is placed carefully. This part sits on top of the engine block. It controls air and fuel movement. The crankshaft is placed inside the engine block. Pistons are connected with rods. All parts are tightened with correct force. Special tools are used. This forms the engine's core. Oil pumps and oil passages are installed. Oil reduces friction between parts. Without oil, the engine can fail. Every oil path is checked. Proper lubrication increases engine life. Water jackets and channels are prepared. They help control engine temperature. Overheating is dangerous for engines. Cooling systems keep engines safe. Temperature balance is very important. Timing belts or chains are installed. They connect crankshaft and camshaft. Correct timing is essential. Machines help set perfect timing. Wrong timing can damage the engine. All remaining parts are added. Covers, seals, and bolts are installed. Everything is double-checked. The engine now looks complete. It is almost ready for testing. The engine is moved to the testing area. Sensors and pipes are connected. Fuel and oil are added. Computers are prepared. The engine is ready to start. The engine is started for the first time. It runs at different speeds. Noise, vibration, and temperature are checked. Power output is measured. Only perfect engines pass. Experts inspect the engine carefully. They look for leaks and defects. Measurements are checked again. Any problem is fixed immediately. Quality is the top priority. The engine is cleaned properly. Dust and oil are removed. Protective paint is applied. This prevents rust and damage. The engine looks new and shiny. The finished engine is packed safely. Protective covers are added. It is loaded onto trucks. The engine is sent to car assembly plants. This completes the car engine manufacturing process. The car engine manufacturing process is now complete. From raw metal to a powerful engine, every step was done with care. Skilled workers and advanced machines work together as one team. Each engine is tested for strength, safety, and performance. Only high-quality engines leave the factory. These engines will power cars around the world. Thank you for watching this complete factory process. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more manufacturing and factory videos. This is the end of today's journey.